Money's in there.
Money?
Put it in there.
Yeah, wash it.
Look, buddy, there's another one over there. It's okay, just put it in there. There you go. Hey, is there another one in there?
Yeah.
Grab it. See it? That's right there. You found the hardest one.
Oh.
Good job. Hey, there's one more. There's one more.
Oh, yeah.
All right, good job.
It's getting like Michael Jackson or something.
Hey, look.
Tomorrow.
Come here, look for more. Open stuff up. Open stuff up.
Yeah.
Look in here.
Oh, there. Yeah. Very fine. Eater.
No, over there. Okay, Gavin, you got some. Put it in here.
Put it in there.
Die for more.
All right, look in more places. Not in the trash. Hey, look in more places. Try opening the doors and stuff.
Huh?
Try opening the doors.
Okay.
None? Okay. Try opening more doors. Look in the fridge. Maybe in the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Maybe boiled.
That's cold.
Yeah. Put it in there. Keep going. Keep looking for more. What is that?
Spider.
What? Nuh-uh. Grab it. Let me see. Hold it up. Show Mama. Let me see.
I think it's fishing bait.
Ah.
Pick it up. I want to see.
No.
Take it out of there. Is that gummy worm?
No.
Yeah, it is.
It's a gummy worm.
No. No.
What is it?
I know I eat it.
Alright, put your egg in there.
Okay.
Okay, shut the door. Hurry. Hurry. Alright. Hey. Gavin,
Look
are
at
you...
those cabinets.
What?
Open them up.
Open doors up. Open up the doors.
That door.
Yeah. Open them up.
That door's back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That door.
What is that?
That's a big.
What is that?
Look, buddy, come here. That's my dinosaur.
Well, pull it out of there. Silly. Go ahead, take it out.
Okay.
No, take the whole basket out, silly.
All of a sudden, the little fishing bait comes up and you
Yeah. There's more.
Here, grab the whole basket. Pull it out here.
pull it out.
There you go.
Bye for me, too.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what's up. It's by looking at the magazine.
Alright, show Mom. Tell Mama what you got.
He's got biscuit, Mama.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Say, look. Say Happy Easter.